You probably heard it 100 times. Budgeting is the key to financial freedom. But let's be real, it's kind of hard to start. Because how on earth do you even begin? What tools do you use? How do you make sure that it even sticks? You're gonna find that out today. Hey y'all, I'm Mark Russell.
I have over a decade of experience working in the financial services world.
But before all that, before I was featured in Forbes, Time Magazine, CNBC, I was drowning in over $80,000 of debt, trying to make sense of where my money was going. I learned the hard way that not having a budget wasn't just a money issue, it was a life issue. Now I can proudly say that I'm 100% debt free. Now I'm on the mission to teach people how to build stronger financial foundations. And today I'm going to show you the best budgeting apps for 2025 that can help you do just that. These tools are simple and powerful, and most importantly, they're designed to meet you where you are. So let's make managing your money easy. First of all, why is budgeting so important? Basically, budgeting is the foundation of every smart money move that you're going to make. It's how you know that you're on track, falling behind, or getting ahead in your money journey. And in 2025, with prices rising, budgeting almost no longer is an option, it's essential. But I know not everyone has time to track every dollar with a spreadsheet. And that's where budgeting apps come in. They take the stress out of budgeting by automatically categorizing your spending, tracking your income, and helping you plan for goals like paying off debt or saving for a trip. But you might be asking, Mark, which apps are good to use? So let me give you a list of some of the best budgeting apps out there right now, and more importantly, which ones might be right for you. The great thing about most of these apps is that you can link your bank accounts with them, and they can automatically categorize your spending, which massively helps you in your journey of becoming a master of your finances. And for all the apps I'm going to mention now, you can find a link in the descriptions below this video. First up, let's talk about Mint. Mint, which has recently been reimagined as Credit Karma, is one of the most well-known budgeting apps out there, and for good reason. It links your bank accounts, categorizes your transactions, tracks your bills, and even alerts you if you're overspending. If you're looking for an all-in-one tool with a long track record and intuitive design, Mint is a solid go-to for beginners and budgeters alike. Here's what it does. It automatically tracks your expenses by linking to your bank accounts and categorizes your spending. In my opinion, some of the reasons on why it's great is because it's completely free and it offers bill reminders, also spending alerts, and a full picture of your finances. It's best for beginners who want a set it and forget it tool to see where their money is going. And for the price, it's free, but there is a premium version available for a monthly fee, and it's basically removing all the ads out. Next up is You Need a Budget, or what the cool kids call YNAB. YNAB. YNAB is for folks who are ready to take their budgeting seriously. It's built around a 4-rule method that teaches you how to plan for your future expenses, save more intentionally, and stop living paycheck to paycheck. It's a bit of a learning curve, but the results can be truly transformational. Here's what it does. It uses zero-based budgeting to assign every dollar a job. So you plan where your money is going before you actually spend it. Here's why it's great in my eyes. It encourages intentional spending and saving. Also, the app offers robust educational tools and workshops. This is best for people who want a hands-on system and they're ready to commit. As for the price, it's free for 34 days. Why the random number? I don't know. Then $14.99 for a month, or $99 per year. Then you have Good Budget. Good Budget brings the classic envelope system into the 21st century. You set aside money in a digital envelope for different spending categories, which the apps help you to adhere to. This makes it a great tool for conscious spending, especially for couples or families working together towards shared financial goals. Here's what it does. Based off the envelope system, you divide your money into different envelopes for each spending category. Here's why it's great. It's easy to use and especially helpful for couples and families. And it's best for those who prefer manual entry and share budgeting. As for the price, there's a basic free version, and then they also have a $7 a month version or a $60 per year for advanced features. Next up, you have Pocket Guard, which analyzes your bills, spending habits, and goals and tells you exactly how much you have in your pocket to spend today. This makes it incredibly useful if you tend to overspend or want to avoid any surprises. It's like having a financial safety net in your pocket. I think a lot of us would want something like that. Here's what it does. It links your bank accounts and tells you how much you have left to spend after bills, goals, and necessities. And guys, here's why it's great. The Smart In My Pocket feature helps you to avoid overspending. It's best for people who need help controlling the day-to-day spending. There's a free version, plus there's also a paid version where you could pay $4.99 per month or $34.99 per year. Then you have Every Dollar, which is designed by the Dave Ramsey team, which I feel like a lot of people know who Dave Ramsey is. Every Dollar is rooted in zero-based budgeting, where every single dollar has a job. The layout is super intuitive and it walks walks you through creating a monthly plan from scratch. If you're trying to build discipline and give your money purpose, using the Every Dollar app is a solid starting point. Here's what it does. Created by Ramsey Solutions, this tool uses zero-based budgeting and allows for simple tracking. And here's why it's great. It's really easy to use and it follows a proven budgeting philosophy. And it's best for people following the Dave Ramsey method or they're new to budgeting. For the price, there's a free version available, and then they have more features available using what they call Ramsey Plus. And last but not least, you have Empower. And to be honest with you, Empower is more than just a budgeting app, as it gives you a full view of your financial health. Not only can you track your spending, but you can also monitor your investments, your retirement savings, and your net worth all in one place. If you want to budget smarter and start growing your wealth, Empower gives you both a zoomed in and big picture view, and I would say it's probably really important for anyone who needs it. Here's what it does. It combines budgeting tools with investment tracking. And here's why it's great. You get to see how your spending habits impact your net worth. It is truly best for people who are managing both their personal budgets and their retirement accounts and all their other investment accounts. The price for Empower is 100% free. Now, they do have some other versions and other features where you can pay for it, but in terms of a subscription, they're all free as of today. When choosing a budgeting app that works for you, consider at least the following things. The ease of use. Does it match your tech skills and preferences? Goal setting. Does it help you build savings and pay off debt? Customization. Can you adjust the categories and rules if you want to? Automation. Will it track your spending without needing to constantly put in input? And of course, security. Is your financial data safe? Using any of these apps means that you're choosing to be on top of your money. So whatever apps you choose to track your budget, good job. Just know that Mark is proud of you. Managing your money is the key to financial success, and using a budgeting app is a great step in that right direction. It can help you prevent debt and even help you pay it off. Next to these budgeting apps, there are plenty of free tools and resources online that can help you get on top of your money. All right, y'all, that's it for today. Let's quickly recap what we've talked about today. Budgeting apps can be a game changer, especially in today's economy. We walked through 6 of the best apps in 2025, like Mint, YNAB, and Pocket Guard, each with unique strengths depending on your goals. Budgeting apps can help you track, plan, and completely take control of your money, but you have to find one that fits your lifestyle. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.